Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Reggie, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're doing all things aloe vera because apparently aloe vera has a whole bunch of benefits, so we're gonna maximize that. Ooh, girl, let me go lotion my hands first for a quick second. But in the meantime, let's talk about all things aloe vera because, honey, there are so many things we can talk about when it comes to aloe vera, okay? But for today, we're talking about its benefits on my hair because, honey, aloe vera is a staple and will forever be a staple, okay? When using aloe vera on your hair, it is meant to help with hair growth, to regrow your edges, because that's basically what I'm doing right now. The enzymes found in aloe vera actually help repair dead skin cells on your scalp, and it also cleans up the sebum, basically oil that is clogged up in the follicles, which also prevents hair growth. So I'm just going to show you quickly the texture of this plant. All I can say is that it's slimy. Like, I don't know what else to say. It's slimy, at room temperature, and it smells. So before we get further along in the video, I do want to say one important thing. If you choose to apply the aloe vera gel this way to your hair, as in halves, rather than blending the plant to get the gel, then I would say to be very careful when you're rubbing it in your hair because you don't want to do it too hard, or else you will get the solid form of the plant in your hair. And when that gets in your hair, I promise you, you're not gonna like that still. So just be careful with that. So here's a very important tip when using aloe vera gel. When you think that the plant has actually finished and all the gel is gone, it actually hasn't. Honey, use all your coins to work, because once you start to pinch holes into the plant, the gel will start to secrete. Okay, so here's the deal. I was so in the zone blasting my Savage remix, and don't be as messy as I am. Like, you can do this a lot neater in nice sections. I'm 100% sure that I got every part in concentration, but you could definitely do this a lot neater, especially since you don't want to get the solid form of the plant in your hair. A crucial step to add to your DIY aloe vera treatment would be to add any type of oil that you find beneficial for you, whether it be castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil. Remember, each oil has its own benefits. For example, castor oil is known for hair growth and known as a great sealant. So make sure you keep in mind of what oil works best for you and add your concoction. So after you've done the whole 9 yards of applying the gel and the oil into your hair, your next step is to place a cap over your head. You can also add heat just for that extra moisture, that extra penetration, that extra treatment. Or you can wait like 30 to an hour. But said no naturalista ever. I know you damn well ain't waiting 30 minutes to an hour. So I'll see you the next day. And there you have it, y'all. This is my hair washed out. There's just a bit of product in it, but for the most part, aloe vera did your girl justice, because this is so soft. This is so amazing. This feels so good. And this is a staple. This is forever going to be a part of the regimen. Let me know if you try it out. Let me know how you like it. And let me know if you have any other great tips that I can actually add to this regimen with hair growth when using aloe vera gel. You guys, if you guys loved it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you join the fam, and I'll see you all in the next video.